Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 16th of March 2021 question. Question number 19. A function fx is defined by integration 0 to x 2t square minus 15t plus 10 dt and normal drawn to fx at point a comma b where a is greater than b is parallel to the line x plus 3y is equal to minus 5. Then the value of a plus 6b mod is equal to what? So at first this is a memory based question, and the question is in the equations of the curve and function. So fx is given here, that is fx is equal to integration 0 to x to t square minus 15t plus 10 dt. So now calculate this one. So after integrating we get 2 by 3, it is x cube minus 15 by 2 x square plus 10x. So when at the point a comma b, so here b is equal to 2 by 3. If it is y is equal to this, so it's satisfying a comma b, therefore b is equal to 2 by 3 a cube minus 15 by 2 a square plus 10x, sorry 10a, this is 10a. Now we want to calculate f dash x. So f dash, this is equation 1. So f dash is equal, x is equal to 2x cube, sorry 2x square minus 15 of x plus 10. So f dash x is equal to this. So now f dash a is equal to 2a square minus 15 of a plus 10. So we know slope of normal is equal to minus of negative of the tangent. So therefore we get 1 by 2a square minus 15 of a plus 10. So this is the slope of normal. So this one is equal to from this equation we write that is equal to minus 1 by 3. So calculating this one, so here we get 2a square minus 15a plus 10, that is equal to 3. That implies 2a square minus 15 of a plus 7 is equal to 0. So a minus 7 into 2a minus 1, that is equal to 0. So now a is equal to 7 comma half. So the question tells that a is greater than 1. So if a is greater than 1, therefore the value of a is equal to, from these two, a is equal to 7 is our the value of a. So now putting a is equal to 7 in equation 1. So from 1 we know we get b equal to 2 by 3 into 7 cube, which is 7 cube minus 15 by 2 7 square plus 10 into 7. So that was equal to minus of 413 by 6. After calculating this, we get. So we want to calculate a plus 6b mod. So the value of a plus 6b mod equal to, we write 7 plus 6 into minus 413 by 6. So that is equal to 406. So this is our required value. So here is the whole solution of question 9. So now move to question 19 to question 20. So question 20 tells us that if fx plus 1 is equal to 2 for all x belongs to R, and I1 is equal to minus 1 to 3 fx dx and I2 is equal to 0 to 8 fx dx, then the value of I1 plus I2 is equal to what? So this is the question in the house of definite integration, and it's also a memory based question. Question is from JEE Main Shift 1, 16th of March 2021. So at first fx plus 1 is equal to 2. This is our equation number 1. If it is a periodic function, then we may write x tend to x plus 1. So here we get x plus 1 plus f of x plus 2 is equal to 2. This is our equation number 2. Now fx is equal to f of x plus 2. So periodic of fx is equal to 2. Therefore periodic of fx is equal to 2. Now I1 is equal to, we may write minus 1 to 3 fx dx. So we can write this minus 1 to minus 1 plus 4 fx dx is equal to 0 to 4 f of x dx. So now I1 is equal to, this one become, we may write once again 2 into integration 0 to 2 fx dx. So now I2 is equal to 4 into integration 0 to 2 fx dx, and this one we know 2 into I, so that is equal to 2I1. So now this one is equation number 3. Now fx plus 1 is equal to 2 given. So therefore fx plus f of x plus 1 is equal to 2 given. So now therefore I1 is equal to 2 into integration of 0 to 2 fx dx. So here we get 2 into integration of 0 to 1 f of x dx plus 1 to 2 fx dx. As we put x is equal to 1 plus t, if let suppose this x is equal to 1 plus t, then here we get 2 into integration of 0 to 1 fx dx plus integration of 0 to 2 f of 1 plus t dt. So I1 is equal to, we say 2 into integration 0 to 1 f of x dx plus integration 0 to 1 f of 1 plus x dx, replacing t as x as it is periodic. So now f of x plus 1 is equal to 2 minus f of x. Therefore, I1 is equal to 2 into integration 0 to 1 f of x dx plus 2 integration 2 minus replacing f of x plus 1 as this. So here we get 2 minus f of x dx. So now putting twice into, so when we 0 to 1 fx dx and 0 to minus 0 to 1 minus fx dx is cancelled off. So here we get integration 0 to 1 to dx. So that is equal to, we calculate to a dx. So x is equal to 1, therefore I1 is equal to 4. So when we put the value, limiting value, now I2 is equal to what? I2 is equal to, from equation 3 we know I2 is equal to twice I1. So putting this value, so I2 is equal to 2 I1. So 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. Now we should calculate the value of I1 plus I2 plus 2 I1. So it is I2 plus twice I1, that is equal to, I2 is equal to 8 and twice I1 is also I2, that is equal to 8. So it is 16. So this is our required value. So this is the whole solution of question 20. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.